Let's start data analytics course from today. This is the first video for that course. Uh, it, Anonymous AI. This is the second YouTube channel of Anonymous AI, that is Anonymous AI English. Already our channel with the name Anonymous AI is successfully growing. We were feeling we should make our videos or lectures in English so that our local community can, especially for local community, can understand who cannot understand the accent of English of foreigners channels. That's why our main purpose is this, so that our local community can understand simple English. Today, let's start from the Pandas library. In this course, we will cover four libraries: uh, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Pandas is used for data manipulation. Uh, if we want to delete, add, edit, etc., anything in data, we will use Pandas. For that purpose, Pandas is a Python library. This course is all about all in Python. Okay. Step by step, we will go through all four libraries. Uh, First of all, we will import a Pandas library to for the manipulation of data. Import Pandas. Let's run import Pandas. You will see a line is executed and it gives a number 2. It's mean our library has been imported. But when we will do work with Pandas, we will use Pandas functions. To use that Pandas function, we will call uh, Pandas. Instead, I write again and again Pandas. I want to give Pandas a nickname, that is PD. Universally, you can write anything ABC, XYZ, but universally people write PD as a nickname of Pandas. So for to give a nickname or alias, we write import Pandas as PD. Now I will run this. Okay, it has been executed. Okay, now I want to import a file. I downloaded a file from a Kaggle. I will make a video later on Kaggle, GitHub, and other platforms. So, but assume Kaggle is a platform from where I download a data set. uh, I have a cancer file, that is CSV, on my desktop. Let's import that file using Pandas. Then PD. Now I will call PD because Pandas name is his nickname is now PD. So I will call PD dot. I am saying him do this work. He's and it's asking me what should I do. I am going to ask read CSV file. The function for that he read CSV file is read underscore CSV. Here are the parentheses. Read pd.read CSV. Now you will see parentheses. Parentheses means it's the function. Now I will write the file name of that file that I want to import, that I want to see in inverted commas, that is cancer dot CSV. Actually, this file is in my Jupyter. I will see. I uploaded that file from desktop. If you want to upload that file, you will click here upload from here, Here is where is desktop? Here is the desktop. Yes, these are the data sets. Here is not that file. Let's see. I import Black Friday. Okay, open the file. Do you want to upload? Okay, I upload. Done. Upload it. Oh, let's see. blackfriday.csv. Now I want to read this file, blackfriday.csv. black friday.csv. Okay, now I run with this file. Let's see what's the result. It throws an error. What's the error is? Error is no such file in directly Black Friday. I think there was a space between them. Let's execute. Oh yes, here was the space. Space is also a value. Okay, here this is the file with thousands of rows and 12 columns. It shows top 5 rows, then dot dot and bottom rows. Okay, if I check the further functionalities of pandas, then I have to write this whole code pd.read underscore csv blackfriday.csv. Then I can use further functions, but I don't want to use this whole. To avoid this, I will take a variable and assign this code, this file to that variable, so that I can read that I can do further functions easily. Assume I'm taking a variable data. This I now that file is given to data. In mathematics, 1 equal to 1 means 1 is equal to 1 and 2 equal to 2 means 2 is equal to 2. But in here that's not it doesn't mean 1 equal to 1 or data equal to the pd dot read. It's mean the value on the right hand side has been assigned to the left hand side. We have a left hand side data and right hand side pd dot read csv. Okay, then run this file. Now I want to see the further functionalities. I want to check the rows and columns shape of the data set. We have a file. For that I will call data. Now I will call every time data, because the whole file is given to the data. Let's start data dot. I want to see the shape of the data set. Here is the shape attribute. Now that's run. Oh yes, it's saying it has unit 10 100,000 10 something like 5 lakh 50,000 and 68 rows and 12 columns. The first value is always rows and the second is column. Okay, understand? Now I want to see the head of the file. What is in its head? Let's check. Like a coin, there it has a head and a tail. Let's check what's in its head. Head is a function. That's why I will write parentheses. Oh yes, that's saying by default it shows 0 to 4 top 5 values that are in his head. Let's see. This is its head. These are the columns, all columns, and here are the rows. But if I want to check the head values of that I want to see, specifically see, like I want to see the top 10 11 12 15 values. For that I will write data dot head, and I will give a number in these parentheses, like I want to see the top 8 values. Now run. It's give me 0 to 7. Okay, here data dot head. Now these are the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 to 7. These are the 8 values. Okay, done. Now I want to see its tail. Data dot tail. It show me the last 5 rows. Let's see, 50,000, 63 to 67. Same like head. If I want to see the last dot tail, last rows, we see the top 8. Here I want to see the top 9, tail 9, meaning bottom 9. Here the last 9 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, done. Now I want to see the sub information of the data. I will write data dot info. It will give me some information. Yes, here is the information. It gives me information. It has 0 to 12 columns. These are the column names. Non-null values are these, and these are the data types of the integers, objects, float. 3 types of data types. Here it's showing float 64. Float has two data type. Float data type has 2 values, integers 5, object 5. It uses memory 50.4 plus MB. Here is it gives us some info. Here is showing entries, means these are the rows, and here are the columns that's showing in info function. If I ask him to describe the data set, so then I will write data.describe. It will give me some description. Description is count. It gives count values, mean, standard deviation, minimum value 25%, 50% and 75%. Here is some descriptions, maximum value with describe function. Here are these were some basic functions. In next video we will start the further functionalities of pandas. So let's stop this video here, and I will come back with the other video.